It's a really easy side hustle that even an 11-year-old can do. Check this out. And the best part is you don't have to spend anything to set it up, and it will create you passive income. First, you'd want to go to pinterest.com and create a business account. After you've created your free business account, go to ads. Then click on create campaign, manual campaign, and get started. Then choose your campaign type and continue. My campaign, I'll select find new customers. Next, let's go ahead and find interests and keywords. Now in the search section, type in any product you want. I'm going to search t-shirts. I'll select the options below that pop up. I'm going to select men's fashion and women's fashion because they have high monthly searches. Then head over to Canva and make a simple design. Next, go ahead to printful.com and create a free account. Next, look for a t-shirt in the catalog and put your design on it. It's super simple. Next, head over to Etsy and create a free account. Next, go to Printful's dashboard and then go to stores and connect your Etsy store. Now, every time you get an order, Etsy will send that order to Printful, and Printful will ship out the order directly to the customer without you having to do anything. And head over to Etsy and create a listing like this. And if we multiply the number of their sales with the price, it comes back to this. This person is making over $11,000 per month just by selling t-shirts. And like I showed you, this will all be automated and passive income. And if you want to know my favorite and the easiest side hustle, don't forget to follow and check out my profile.